Hello and welcome to this week's CEO blog. We're going to try something different. We're using this technology as a way to introduce new physicians in our community, and today we're happy to be with Dr. Tim Goodrich, who's our new ear, nose, and throat physician. He's stepping into the practice that Dr. Ward's been serving in for the last several years, and we want to give you a chance to get to know him. So, Dr. Goodrich, welcome. It's wonderful to have you on the Palouse. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your family.
I'm originally from Phoenix, Arizona, and I joined the Army back in 2003. And since from 2003 to 2013, I've been an Army surgeon. Did my training at Walter Reed and finished my commitment at Fort Benning. After 2013, I stayed in the Columbus area and did a high-volume practice with trauma, endocrine surgery. But my wife and I and my daughter wanted to move back to move up to the Northwest. For the outdoor activities that we just couldn't get down south. So.
Yeah, well, wonderful. It's just a real thrill to have you here, and we're always excited when people decide that the Palouse and the Northwest is a place they'd like to settle down. What in particular, you've mentioned about some of your outdoor interests. What is it about this part of the country that you're excited about?
Well, I hunt and fish almost to the point of obsession, my wife would say, and my family loves to ski. And so the outdoor opportunities here were just fantastic. So.
Yeah, well, that's terrific. Yeah, and you're just moved here, and your family will join you here soon. So have you had a chance to experience some of the outdoors?
Yeah, my first Friday here I was skiing. My first Saturday I was chukar hunting, and then have been out several times doing both since. So.
Yeah, well, that's terrific. We've got a lot of hospital staff and others who will get a chance to take a look at this, and maybe you want to just take a few minutes to describe your practice and what you're excited about and the types of services you'll be providing.
I do general basic ENT, which is sinus, tonsils, allergy disease, but I also have quite a bit of experience in thyroid, parathyroid disorders, surgical diseases, head and neck cancer, and especially a lot of facial trauma, both soft tissue injury and bony injury. So.
Okay, good. And your office will be primarily here in Pullman, but you'll be doing surgery in all three communities.
Correct. I'll be covering call at all three facilities and accepting outside transfers when necessary.
Yeah, terrific. So. Anything else you'd like to let the folks know about your practice or about you or about your family?
In regards to the practice, I'm really optimistic about a high volume as far as being able to see a lot of patients on a more emergent basis. A lot of thyroid disorders, and there are some parts of the practice I'd like to expand on, the allergy being one, and actually audiology services to be able to really expand that for the community and even do some outreach programs with that.
Do you anticipate, as things develop, as you envision, that there could be room for a partner somewhere down the road?
Absolutely. Just off population data and looking at our academy standards, we can easily support 2 full-time ENTs, and my goal is to get to that point.
Excellent. Well, that's Dr. Tim Goodrich, our new ear, nose, and throat physician. Just started here on the Palouse in the last couple weeks. We're thrilled to have him here. We look forward to his family joining us and not only becoming a part of our medical community, but becoming a part of all the communities of the Palouse. So thank you for tuning in to these blogs, and I hope you choose to have a great day.